Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily reset your entire network in Windows 11. And how you can start from scratch. Now what you need to do is go to bottom next to the search and right click on it, on start, and then click settings. Right then this system will appear here, and then under Bluetooth and devices is going to be network and internet. Right here you're gonna have few things here, and what you want to click on, scroll down below on advanced network settings. Right here you're gonna see network reset, click on it, and then you click reset now. And that's reset now. I'm not going to reset mine, but this is how you can reset it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. If this video helped you, write down below in comments that it helped you. Probably the Windows will sign you out only because it needs to restart or the network settings, but this is pretty much it how we do it. So this is how you can reset your entire network in Windows 11. If you can have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. You know how it goes, you know how it is, but definitely write down below in the comments that this video helped you for other people to know. Thank you and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.